Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Vivian Ebony, and on today's video I'll be trying out flaxseed gel pre-poo. I usually use aloe vera gel as an alternative for a pre-poo, but today I'll be testing out the flaxseed gel to see how well it goes with my hair, how it helps to detangle my hair before wash day. And I want you to come along on the process, and I'll be heading over to my kitchen to get my flaxseed gel ready. I don't have a recipe, I'm not following any particular recipe at the moment. I'm going to eyeball everything, and I'll drop the measurement of things I use in the description box. Please, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So let's head over to my kitchen and get that flaxseed ready. So here I have 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of flaxseed gel. So I put that into the pot and allow it to boil. I stir it continuously, and whenever I see it's trying to foam up a little, I go back and stir with my wooden spoon till it's okay. So after like 3 to 5 minutes, I strain it while it's still hot, because when it gets cold it tends to get very lumpy and thick and it will make a whole mess. So when it's hot, you just strain it easily and perfectly. So I allow that to cool and keep it aside, then transfer it into my plastic container that I'll be using later on in the video. Now I like the consistency, not too thick, not too light. So I have the flaxseed gel in this container, and hopefully it's enough to get my whole hair. So I'll be going in. This is my water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. So as you can see, I'm taking my time at the back of my hair because that's where I get the most tangles. So I'm taking it gently and applying my flaxseed gel generously over and over to the back of my hair, to every section of the hair actually. So when you're working with any product, you have to take your time and work the product into your hair so that your hair absorbs it properly. So like a low porosity hair like mine, it takes a while to absorb moisture. So I'm going back with water to spray to this section of the hair again and apply my flaxseed gel. So at this point, because of how I was generously applying this flaxseed, my 4B textured hair came out popping. So it defines my hair better than aloe vera did. So I think I will just try a wash and go with flaxseed gel. So what do you guys think about it? Please leave your opinions in the comment section. So here we go again, another 4B hair defined. If you can see the last part of my hair strand, I think when I have a cleaner hair, because my hair just came out of a 2 months protective style, I think my curls will define better. So now I've run out of this is what I have left of the flaxseed gel, and I'm pretty sure I got the entire hair. Wow. My hair has really grown out compared to the last time I did a pre-poo with aloe vera. There's been significant length in my hair. Wow. So a length check here. Finally my hair is responding well to me, because earlier this year I cut my hair and now it's growing out. Finally, I'm so excited. I'll do another video showing exactly where and my hair is at the moment. So next year I'll be more accountable and keep precise records of how long my hair has grown. So this is it. At this place, my hair was so soft, like it was bouncy, soft to the touch. I was just feeling the curls. I even went up close to the camera to see how coily my hair had become. I have a 4B hair and then a little bit of 4C. And I think I got every part of my hair with the flaxseed gel. So guys, I'm done with the flaxseed gel. I'm done applying it all over my hair. So I'll leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes thereabout, and then I'll wash it off and I'll come back and show you guys the result of the entire wash day with flaxseed gel as a prepo. I'm really loving how it tried to define my coils, my 4B texture, and then some 4C at the middle of my hair. Wow. Wow. So I'll come back after washing and I'll show you guys the results. So hello guys, I know I said I was going to come back and give you guys an update after washing the flaxseed gel from my hair. I can't believe it's already a week. I'm so sorry. So I'll just head straight into the video. It's been hectic lately, especially this festive period. Life, work, stress, just everything has made me slack off. And I'll just go straight into what I noticed after using the flaxseed gel. Number one, it defined my curls. I don't know why I've not tried using flaxseed gel, especially as a wash and go, probably because I'm scared of it flaking. But I think I know how I'll manage it by using less products. So I'll try a flaxseed gel wash and go. So it defined my curls, especially at the back of my hair where I have mostly 4B texture. And also it was very detangling. I mean, it softened my hair. I literally noticed after washing my hair, it was really soft. I didn't even use combs after washing. Just put on my leave-in conditioner, sealed my hair off, and that was it. My hair was soft. Even to the next day when I installed my this protective style I have on. So I would say I would definitely recommend giving flaccid gel a trial. I don't know why I haven't tried it personally since. I don't know why. I've always been used to aloe vera gel. So that is defined my curls, and I also noticed it hydrated my hair because when you shampoo and wash it, when you shampoo your hair, naturally strips off the moisture from your hair. But because I had already like pre-pulled my hair, it wasn't stripping like that. Then I noticed it balanced the pH level of my hair, helped it because before I washed my hair, I had lots of product buildup. It helped because I also applied it on my scalp, like almost like I was scrubbing my hair with flaxseed gel. So I don't want this to be very long, so I'll just go straight and say flaxseed gel is worth the hype. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you subscribe and like this video, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye.